War changes people. Lives are devastated and lost, and families are torn apart. Sacrifice is rarely worth the price. My brothers had to decide between the cause of the Confederacy and the lives of their family. When I saw them with our mother and heard that they had become deserters, I couldn't believe it. But I knew why they did it. For the family.
Let's go. Look, they've slaughtered Jackson's cattle.
Slaves?
Yanks, probably. Nice trick. When did you find time to practice?
While you were getting old?
Yeah, very funny. Can you repeat that trick, smartass? I wonder how you'll do with the Yankees. They hurt us, that's for damn sure. You're almost as good as me.
He's running.
You'll be bringing back some friends. Son of a bitch.
Poor Jackson.
Come on, brother. We gotta hurry.
Hey, you think our home was torched too? It's only a mile away.
We better run. That bastard was mine.
Did you hear that?
No, we don't have time.
That's Jackson. I ain't leaving him to burn.
Watch out! All right, come on. Hold on. We'll get you out. Take that bucket, Thomas. Mr. Jackson! Open up! Let me out!
I can't open it!
Move aside. What happened here, Mr. Jackson?
These animals, they wanted to burn me alive. They killed all the cattle.
Slaves?
No, soldiers. They took over your place too and threw themselves a party.
What do you mean, took over? What about our mother and William?
I don't know what became of them. But there was a shootout. I heard it. Soldiers. Oh my God.
We need to check these stables. This way. Let's just say that was a Yankee.
Oh, shit. That was an accident.
Oh, sure.
You put some weight on, brother. Come on, get up there.
Thank you, Junior. Idiot. Come. They can't see us. They got some good cover. Try through the roof.
You know what I've learned? That you are one irritating asshole. Thanks, brother. Ray, you coming or what?
I bet they keep the loot here. Let's see if maybe they have something that belongs to us. Jackson, you old bastard.
I don't like this.
Gatlin! Run for the... We need to go around. Come on, this way. Shh.
Fire at will!
Duck,
Stay here, keep your trap shut.
I don't like this, brother.
There they are! Find them!
Where are
There!
Thomas, let's go. Fire. Well, these bluebellies want to smoke us out.
Just toward their Gatling gun. They'll cut us down like cordwood.
Oh, shit. Okay. Now, you see that tree? You climb it, and you shoot that son of a bitch from up high.
Mama didn't like us climbing this tree.
We won't tell her, Thomas. Okay. Climb the tree, and I'll try to keep him busy.
That's right, you stupid son-bitch. I got you in my sights.
Over here! Who the hell taught you how to shoot?
Bullseye.
You got him! Hell, I'd say that was a lucky shot. There's more coming. Who are these guys? Boys ain't backing down. Let's get the horses. You see that shot?
You sure you weren't aiming for the horse?
Good. Now let's go home.
The roof's all shot to hell. Don't mention it.
Thanks, Thomas. Get to the doors before they kill us here.
Get some more gun hands.
We're going on my command. Now.
Who are these? Why are they still alive?
Not too good with their guns, are they?
Nope, but they're damn good.
From the back! You back off, or the old lady and the boy die! You hear me?
Shit! Go to the front balcony. We'll catch them in the crossfire. We just want to take them and go. No one else needs to die here today.
You can go to hell.
I ain't gonna ask again.
Well, come on then! Come and get him! You coming?
Ma? Is she gone?
She died during the night, Ray.
She didn't deserve this.
I bolted the door, but they broke it down. I tried to protect her, but
You did your best. We can't stay here, Ray. Let's head for the harbor, see if we can find some transportation.
what are you doing here, Thomas? Why'd you two come back? Did you desert? Thomas?
We didn't desert our family. And in this world, that's all that matters. Will, take cover!
We need more men.
We gotta sink that sumbitch before it reaches shore. Cover me.
We did it.
We should bury Ma.
We can't stay here for too long. You hear me, Ray? Ray?
We'll rebuild it. After the war, we'll come back here, and this'll be our home again.
Looks like we're late to the party.